Hello, and welcome to Sean's Test Bench. Today I'm going to be repairing this Dell laptop. A friend of mine gave this to me. It came out of a storage unit. Just under visual inspection, there's no battery, didn't come with a charger. When I opened it, I noticed that the screen's cracked also. It's going to need a replacement screen. I went on the internet and I gathered up all the parts needed to restore this computer back to working condition. I purchased a OEM Dell battery, a real Dell. Don't buy the knockoffs, you'll regret it. Also a Dell charger power supply. Again, I do not buy the Chinese knockoffs. I buy the real OEM products. They last, and you won't be disappointed with it. I knew the hard drive in this was going to be older, so I picked up a 240 gig SSD for this laptop. Also, this laptop came with only 4 gigs of RAM installed, so I picked up another 4 gig module, and it's going to have a total of 8 gigs of memory. And I grabbed the brand new screen for it. This one is cracked, so this is what I'm going to be putting into this laptop today, and it's going to make this laptop run very quick and last quite a long time. Now that we looked at all the parts, I'm going to go ahead and start tearing this laptop down. This is not a tutorial on how to replace a screen or anything. There's enough of them on YouTube. I'm just sharing what I'm doing today with you guys. So I'm just going to throw some music in the background and get to work.
The computer, an extension of the human intellect, center of the most calculating intelligence on Earth.
Question or two, he's got the answer just for you. I am the computer man, and I am ready for questions now, thank you.
Mr. Computer Man, how much is 2 plus 2?
4.
Mr. Computer Man, how do you spell cat?
C-A-T.
Mr. Computer Man, how do you spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
With letters. I am the computer man. I can do anything you can. I am the computer man. I can do anything you can. Computer man is very wise. He speaks the truth, he never lies. So if there's something you don't understand, just ask the computer man.
Hi, Mr. Computer Man. My name is Jenny. I have a question for you.
Wait, Jenny does not compute. What is your number, please?
Number? I don't have a number. I'm a person.
A person? A person? Amazing! I am the computer man. I can do anything you can. I am the computer man. I can do anything you can.
What is 9,999 times 999,000?
Do anything you can. A heck of a lot.
Really, who want to say?
Do anything you can.
Okay, that's a wrap on this repair. It was fully assembled. I went ahead and installed Windows 10 Home Premium on it. That's what the key went to, so that's what it got. The SSD made it very quick. It boots up to the desktop in around 10 to 15 seconds and you're ready to go. Yeah, it made a good performance increase in this laptop. Everything is working perfectly fine. It has a new battery, new charger. The battery will stay charged for quite a bit of time because it's brand new. There's no hours on that battery, so it'll last probably a good 2 years before it needs replaced. If you're using the laptop a lot, you get about 2 years out of that battery, and that's about it. All right, that's a wrap on this. So thank you for joining me today as I repaired this laptop, and stay tuned to Sean's Test Bench. Thank you.
I can do anything you can. I am the computer man. I can do anything you can. Computer man is very wise. He speaks the truth, he never lies. So if there's something you don't understand, just ask the computer man.
Hi, Mr. Computer Man. My name is Jenny. I have a question for you.
Wait, Jenny does not compute. What is your number?